Hi, so are you one of those that wants to stay on the ship when you get to Nassau? You're not crazy about Nassau. Well, let me give you an alternative. An alternative where you can save a few bucks. You don't have to pay the higher rates at British Colonial or at Margaritaville. You can actually go to this place, have a great time, and save a few bucks. So stick around for the end of this and you're gonna see where you go in Nassau to have a great day at the beach.
Hi, welcome to Harbor Happy Hour. Cammie and I travel the world getting off at cruise ports to see and have some of the most wonderful adventures. We look forward to you joining us as we cruise the world. Please subscribe and like, turn on the notification bell. Let's get started with our next great adventure.
So the map shows it's about a 15-minute walk. Well, the day we took it, I'm guessing it was another 5 to 6 minutes past that, so about 20-25 minutes at the most, to walk past a few of the places that'll be more expensive, maybe double, maybe triple the cost. But here's the map that shows you how to get there.
So we're about 15 minutes into the walk. We're here at Señor Frogs. See that in the background. And so we're here at Señor Frogs. Ryan, about 15 minutes in, right?
Yes, sir.
And there's the ships back in the background. We just came out. If you can see the green building back there, you can see that that's where we came out, walked down, gonna Señor Frogs. Put Margaritaville in your phone for the directions, how to get to this beach that we're going to. And the Junkanoo Beach. Junkanoo Beach. I mispronounce it every time. Pronunciation is not my specialty. Filming, not so much. Going live, well, we're working on that today. So here we go, 15 more minutes and we should be there. So here we're coming up, we're gonna turn right here. Brian, what's that place right? British what? British Colonial's on our right, but Dunkin' Donuts right there on our left. You're gonna hang right here. You can see the McDonald's. So you have two chances. It's just after 9:30. You can grab coffee here at Dunkin' Donuts. We're up here at McDonald's.
We were supposed to go to McDonald's this morning.
Yeah, we were gonna go to McDonald's, but we got coffee from the ship. And so you're gonna continue here. Margaritaville is gonna be about another 5 minutes up on the right. And we should be getting there, and there's a McDonald's. So, like I said, we probably got another 10 to 12 minutes left. So we came around this corner right here, and you're gonna see Margaritaville. Great big building here. Has a lot of shops down below. There's the check-in right there. That's on the far end. When you go, that's on the far right. To the far left is gonna be the end of its beach where it's private. And right there, Junkanoo Beach is gonna be where Seagulls is gonna be. Nick with his chairs on the beach. So see how big Margaritaville is? You're gonna be all the way down there. So only about 2 minutes away. Here we coming. So here we are, Margaritaville on the left. You're gonna see this great big sign right here. There's Seagulls. There's Seagulls right there. And then you go right past there, all the way to the beach is where Nick's gonna have his chair. So Nick just pulled up. He's gonna be down there with us in a minute, but we're gonna stop at Seagulls and say hello. So here we are. We're right next to Margaritaville. There's all the chairs right there. And this is Nick's place right here. It's gonna be the blue zone, which Nick owns, right here on the beach. We're the closest to the ocean, where there's private chairs, umbrellas. And let me show you how we get back to Seagulls. So hey, there's Ryan, the mayor of Royal Caribbean. And we'll go back here. We can see Nick's place. Oops, sorry. There's the massage place that he has. And so we're gonna head back towards Seagulls, but this is on Junkanoo Beach. Gives you an opportunity to go to the water. There you can see the ships in the background. There's Margaritaville right there. And like I said, this is gonna be like a third to a fourth of the price you're gonna pay if you're over at Margaritaville or some of the private places, just a little more affordable. Great service. Nick and his team at the Blue Zone do a great job taking care of you. So if you're getting here to Nassau and you're looking for a place to go and get to the water, get to the beach, be able to have a beer or soda and chill out, this is a great place. So I'm going to walk you back how close it is to Seagulls and a few of the other Owens. It's going to be up here on the right. You're going to see first, right there on the right, the Owen spot, right up here on the right. Little volleyball place, the restrooms over there to the right. Sorry about the wind, y'all. When I started down by the beach, I didn't need a mic or a cover. There's Seagulls right there. Tequila's there, gonna take care of you. There he is, there's the man. So we're not live, but there's Nick right there. So tell us about your place. So I'm not live, I'm actually just filming this so we can put out, tell me about your place.
I work at the Blue Zone, we do massage services, and we have chairs and umbrella. The chairs are $10 each, and the umbrella is $20. So if you get 2 chairs and umbrella, it's $40. Yeah, man, peace.
Thanks, Nick, appreciate it. So here's Seagulls, and if you can see right there, there's Margaritaville right there, a great big building. I'll go back. You can see it right behind Seagulls is gonna be Margaritaville. So it's the first place you're gonna get to the public beach. Come right off here, and there's guys that are gonna take care of you. You know, we have the Owen spot right here. We have Seagulls right here. So this is a great spot to go. So Seagulls, here we go. We're going to Seagulls. So tell us what you guys do here.
Okay, so we have the deals. We have a 4 Bahama Moms for $25, the 3 beers and 3 shots for $20, and 4 shots of rum or tequila for $15.
And the key is you are the closest place to get to a public beach that you're not going to pay through the nose to get out here. So
That is true.
right past Margaritaville on the right, the best place in town.
Best place in town.
Shout out to Keith, the guy in the blue shirt, the owner of Seagulls and Tequila. Great operation there. First place you're going to see just past Margaritaville. So that's Nassau on a budget. Why stay on the ship? Why not get off, get the sand beneath your feet, have a great drink, and a great day at the beach? If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. And if you like this video and would like to see more about the Caribbean, click this video. Ryan's pointing at it. Thanks for watching.